How to fix Temu promo code not working. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to make sure that your Temu application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, simply type in Temu. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, you have to tap open it and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to apply the promo code, first thing first, you have to tap on this Use section. Once done, you will see coupons and offers. Tap onto it, and you will see unused, used, and expired. You will defaultly landed onto this unused button. While entering your promo code or your coupon code, make sure that you are not making any typos, like you are not mentioning 0 as a O and vice versa. Some coupons have minimum order requirements. For instance, if a coupon has a minimum order requirement of $20, make sure that you are not purchasing anything less than $20. Likewise, once you make sure all this, you can go ahead and paste your coupon code here, tap on apply, and also make sure that you are entering the correct promo code that is not expired yet. And likewise, guys, this is how you can fix a problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.